just a few days away from the conference tournament. But before that, the final matchup of the regular season for Temple and FAU here at the Liacouras Center, at a matchup of the Owls. Temple and FAU both 7-10 in the conference, both 13-16 overall, and they're both tied for that number 7 spot in the American Conference. Now Temple and FAU, they have both clinched their spot in Birmingham in the American Conference tournament. But before this, their final matchup here, a tale of two teams. So FAU coming off a 6-point victory on senior night at home. As for Temple, they went to South Florida the other night on Tuesday, and it was a 46-point loss in that one. 15 points in the first half, 6 points overall. Jack, what does Temple need to do differently in this matchup? So Felicia Jacobs, she has yet to start the season, but has played in all 29 games. She averages about 14 minutes per game. And there's her first points of the afternoon.
Yeah, the bench could be a big one in this one, Jackson, as the Owls have struggled off the bench recently.
Well, plus, for FAU in their most recent matchup, they outscored Tulane on the bench 27-4. So their bench could bring it today. Temple has to maybe match that intensity. Here's Carstensen. She was contested tightly by Jacobs. Ottawa shifting through defenders and drawing the foul.
Ottawa, the only player on FAU over 6 foot. She's using her size to her advantage to get up there.
Yeah, Ottawa, she technically does not have the most points per game, but she does lead the team in points this season with 265. Also leads the team in rebounds per game with 6. Couldn't cash in the first free throw there. Second one on its way. Off the front end of the rim, Jacobs another board. Here's Brianna Mead. Just under 2 minutes left here in quarter number 1. 15-9 lead here. 6-point advantage for Temple. Taylor gets right to the basket and gets the roll.
It's a strong play to hold off her defender, get past him, and lay that easily with the right hand.
First points of the game for Tristan Taylor. Here's Carstensen back to Moores. Ottawa from the elbow, back to the top of the key. In the corner, Carstensen. Ottawa trying to use the footwork of her own, but couldn't get that one in. Under a minute to go, first quarter. Feed inside, nice one, and there's Craig with the finish. Felicia Jacobs really showing off her passing ability today, huh?
That was a great pass. Another one just right over the heads of Florida Atlantic. That's right into the hands of the Owls.
Gewurz thought about the three for a second, but elects instead to give it to her teammate. Here's a steal as Craig gets her hands on it. Owls looking for more as there's Sedano right to the basket.
The Owls have been playing some great defense, and on that been compromised. It's been getting a lot of points off turnovers as well.
7 seconds to go. Deep three up, and that one misses everything.